Whether you plan ahead or wait until the last minute, today's prime rib recipe will be perfect for any holiday menu. And today, Howard shows us how to make a melt-in-your-mouth roasted holiday version in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Hey, do you have your Christmas dinner menu planned out yet? I know some of you are out there rolling your eyes and saying, "Are you kidding? I did mine months ago." Well, others are rolling your eyes and saying, "Are you kidding? The holiday isn't until next week." No matter where you are in your planning, I want to show you how to cook a Christmas dinner favorite, prime rib. This is a boneless beef ribeye. As you can see, it has what is known as a fat cap, and the meat is well marbled. These together make this super moist and flavorful. To cook it, we place it in a roasting pan, fat side up. Then we rub it with a mixture that we made by combining some Dijon mustard, vegetable oil, brown sugar, a little flour, allspice, and some salt and pepper. We let this roast on high for a few minutes, which seals in the natural goodness. Then we lower the temperature so it cooks low and slow. When the temperature hits 140 degrees on a meat thermometer, we place it on the counter and let it rest for a few minutes. Get ready for lots of oohs and ahs, because once you start slicing this, everyone at the table is going to be drooling until they get their piece. To get the recipe for our roasted holiday prime rib with its crunchy flavor pack coating, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a holiday special way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
We can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.